is crazy. How am I making content and don't even know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Cece, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. I hope that you would stay, subscribe, and become a part of the Fashion Ceesta family. Here over on my channel, I show you how to be your baddest bitch at an affordable cost, and today we are doing a Milk PR haul as well as a wear test. Milk was kind enough to send over a few items that I had not tested out yet, so I'm going to walk you guys through me using the products and what I like about them. So this is the PR box, and this is what came in it. Just a cute little postage note, and it says welcome to the fam, and then they have a little note inside the box here. Sorry y'all, I'm looking in the monitor because I'm trying to look at what I'm pointing at. Hopefully it's focusing on me because I do see it focused on my face. So these are considered their MVPs. So basically they have a note about which each of the items are, the pro tips, all of that good stuff, and gives you a little backstory about them. And so I have the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, the Kush Volumizing Mascara, the Lip and Cheek Tint in the shade Werk, and then this is called Quickie. And then I also got the Milk Hydro Grip Set and Refresh Spray. I believe that's the name. I always mess it up. And I'm gonna try these out for you guys today. But as always, if you guys are interested in trying any of the items that I mentioned, they will be linked down below in the description box, and I will see you all in my next clip. This is no shade when I say this at all, but I feel like if my grandma wore blush, I would definitely give this to her. One, because not only is purple her favorite color, but I just feel like plum blush looks so good on like darker complexion, especially when you are a darker complected woman of age. It just gives sophisticated, and I think I'm still a little childish, but I'm not mad at it. And because it's already laid down, this is going to be our blush for today, so I guess we're going to be giving sophisticated grown lady today. Okay. I don't hate this. I will say the formula is just very like skin-like. Even when I'm looking at this, it doesn't look as intense in the mirror, but I'm looking at it through my monitor and the color is picking up very well. So if you are someone who likes a very subtle blush, and by subtle I mean obviously the color still shows up, but you want it to look very skin-like, I think that this will be a really great blush option for you. And they have quite a few different shades as well. Alright, so I'm going to finish the rest of my face and I'll be back when it's time to use the new Hydro Grip Set and Refresh Spray. Okay, so here is the star of the show for me, for real. I have been wanting to try this spray for so long. Anytime a new product comes out, they don't really ship a lot of quantities, and by the time I get to the store, it's already sold out. So when I say I have been wanting to try this since I've heard about it and I had a chance to get my hands on it, I was so excited when I opened this box and I saw that they sent it to me. So we're gonna try out the spray for the first get dressed and I will be back with the final look and my final thoughts on all the new products that I tried before I head out the door. Okay, so I'm back. This is the final look. Everything is on. For my lip combo, because y'all know I didn't do my makeup on camera, it is 427 Beauty, the lip liner in the shade Chalk and lip juice in the shade Baby Girl. As always, y'all know everything is linked down in my bio if you want to shop my brand. But back to Milk Makeup. I love everything that I tried. I would say my least favorite will probably be the lip and cheek stick. I just like my blush to pack a little bit more punch, and I felt like this was more like super subtle. I think I maybe want to try a different shade, because also purple blush not being my thing too could probably also play a part in it, and the pink was just way too light for my complexion. So I don't know, I'll have to give it another try with maybe like another shade. As far as the spray, I'm loving it. My skin looks good. It doesn't look oily or anything. Like, it just looks very nice and dewy and refreshed. So I can't wait to see how this lasts throughout the day. And you guys already know that I love the Kush mascara. Obviously, I have two open ones right here. And you guys know that I used to really love my Milk Hydro Grip Primer. It was my go-to until the Sephora's around me, just for whatever reason, weren't keeping them in stock. So I switched over to the e.l.f. Power Grip. But you know, now that the Milk Hydro Grip is back in my life, I'm going to see how my makeup wears and think about making that switch back permanently to the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. At this time, it is currently 1:57. I'm getting ready to head out to go spend time with my family, and I will see you all at my next check-in and when I get back home. So I am back. And I'm gonna lie to y'all, I'm literally about to get in the shower, so my hair is pushed back. I almost forgot that I was even recording this video for y'all. It is currently a little after 9:30. Sorry, my phone is out there. Just a regular amount of oil that I had. You guys know I try to incorporate products into my routine of things that I'm already using. So my suggestions on what I would purchase with my own money from my haul: I would definitely get that spray again. You guys already know I love the Milk Hydro Grip as well as the mascara. I think that I'm going to stand firm on saying that I wasn't really a big fan of the blush. By the time I got back home, I should have popped on camera and showed you guys. I feel like the purpley blush that I use, Quickie, had definitely faded away. So because I had other stuff to do, I did go ahead and put some blush on my face so that way I could have some type of color, because like I said, Quickie definitely did wither away. So my personal opinion, the mascara, the Hydro Grip Primer, and the Hydro Grip, what is it? Why do I keep messing that up? Like, I don't know why I can't get the name together. This is crazy. How am I making content and don't even know what I'm talking about? That is it. I'm going to go ahead and do my skincare, wash all this makeup off my face, and get prepared for my work day tomorrow. So I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. All products linked down below in the description box, by the way, if I didn't say so. Bye.